For those of you who don't know, I'm Maggie, and today I'm really excited to share with you the couple of Sephora gift sets that I ended up picking up for myself this year. I waded through every single deal to really dive into the value in a lot of the Sephora gift sets just to be sure that they are actually a deal, because I feel like sometimes retailers can disguise things as a great deal by sticking it in a gift set, and really the price turns out just to be good math rather than a good deal. And I actually put together an entire series on my Like to Know It called Shop Smarter, where I break down really good deals, really high value good deals. So if you're curious about that, you can head over there. But I will be talking about most of those deals in this video today. So we're going to start with the 3 that I ended up buying. So I obviously stand behind that deal and think it's awesome. But then the other ones where I thought that they were an incredible deal, I just didn't need the product, so I didn't want to uselessly spend just because it was a good deal. So the first set that I'm really excited to share with you is this Amika Blowout Buffet. So this comes with the Amika Blowout Brush, the full-size Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, and then also the full-size Amika The Wizard, which is like their detangling primer, a leave-in conditioner / heat protectant all in one. Now the entire set retails for $99, but you're actually getting a $150 value out of the entire kit, because the blow dry brush alone retails for $100. So if you were just going to buy this off of the Amika website, you would be out $100. Well, the entire kit costs $99. So how I like to look at this is that I bought a blow dryer brush and got a $1 discount, and then I'm getting the 2 other products completely free. So I'm saving $50, $51 in total. This is surprisingly light. I was expecting this big piece of equipment to be kind of heavy, but no, this really is so manageable, and it's much easier to use than I originally thought it would be. And I feel like this, paired with the detangling spray that the kit comes with, makes it so smooth and so easy to pull through your hair. I was a little worried with these kind of like plasticky bristles that it was gonna tug and pull, and I'm really tender-headed, and so I was just a little bit wary about this tool in general, regardless of the brand, but this really blew me away, no pun intended, and I felt like it really did leave my hair so straight and silky and smooth, and legitimately like I had just gotten my hair cut and then they did it and I walked out of the salon. So this actually has 3 different settings. So you have kind of like a cool fan setting, you have a low heat setting, and you have a high heat setting. I broke my hair into 4 different sections and blow dried it that way, and I used the high heat setting for my entire head. I was a little bit worried about excess frizziness and kind of broken hair, since you are continually brushing through wet hair, but I surprisingly did not end up with a crown of frizzies on my head when I was done, so that was a definite pro. I'm very impressed with it. It has great reviews. There are a couple of reviews that I read that said that this like pooped out on people after a couple of months. Again, I haven't had mine that long, so I really can't speak to the longevity of this product. It has like 4.5 stars and has thousands and thousands of reviews. So overall, this seems to be pretty good. But if you were in the market and maybe you don't want this entire set, you don't care about the dry shampoo and the detangler, maybe the Revlon or something is actually a better deal for you in the end. But for me, I just couldn't pass up these additional products. It does come with the full-size Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This typically retails for $25. And the full-size version of their detangling spray called The Wizard. I will say the spray nozzle on this works great, kind of like your, I don't know, spraying cleaner on your countertops, which was kind of strange for me to get used to at first, but it also kind of fell all over my bathroom floor and made it a little bit slippery. So just when you're using this, definitely keep it close to your hair. That's my one recommendation. This dry shampoo is so good. I've truly only had it in little trial sizes, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I've bought this once full size. Really like it. It doesn't leave a lot of white cast, and it does have a very strong, kind of like fruity, fresh salon all mixed together scent. It's very signature to Amika. I think it's called like buckthorn berry or something along those lines. But if you are super sensitive to scents, this may be a little bit overly perfumey for you. But if you are somebody that likes that, like really smelly kind of products, you would really like these. This was a great value for me because I know that I love the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo and I really like their detangler. So to me, getting those products for free was completely worth it, and I didn't mind spending a little extra on the blow dry brush that also does have great reviews. The next gift set that I ended up choosing was the Tarte Bow Go Maracuja Juicy Lip Duos. This retails for $35 and you're actually getting 4 full size of these lip glosses. Now I'm gonna call it a lip gloss, but these are just my ideal lip formula because it's chapstick, it's lip gloss, it's plumper, It feels exactly like the texture of the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, but it's giving you great color. So I'm actually wearing one of these today. And the reason that these are called duos is that they actually come with two completely different boxes of products. So if you wanted to buy this, maybe you have two friends or two daughters or something and you want to split these up, this could be a great little stocking stuffer. And this really is an incredible value because individually, each of these little Tarte Maracuja lip products cost $19, but you're getting the entire set for $35. So very significant savings there. And you're getting two colors from their permanent line and then two colors that are specific to this gift set. So you are getting some limited edition product, which, you know, can be a good thing and a bad thing. I actually did make some notes for myself so that I could tell you which ones were permanent. So the two colors that come from their permanent line are coconut, which is what I have on my lips today. The top makes you think that this is gonna appear super duper neutrally, maybe even trending on like an orangey tan tone. And I just think that it truly is the perfect neutral color for my skin tone. They describe this color as buff, and the other permanent color is orchid. They describe this one as mauve. And I think that again, this is just another great, easy, everyday, your lips but better throw on shade. And that was kind of my feelings about all of the colors in this set. So the two that are unique to this gift set, to my knowledge, are Wildberry and Petal. But I'm questioning the Petal one because I'm pretty sure that one of my friends bought this individually, so I may have to check on that and get back to you. But either way, all four of these colors were shades that I saw myself wearing. So it wasn't gonna be one of those gift sets where like 3 out of the 4 were a big hit and there was just gonna be one throwaway product. Now in general, I love the packaging on this. So all of the stickers have corresponding colors so that you kind of know what you're reaching for, and the tops obviously are individually colored. It has this little button on the bottom and you just click it 1 to 2 times to get the product to come up, and then it just kind of melts into your lips, and it truly does just provide an ultra moisturizing, it's kind of non-scented, but almost maybe a little coconut scented if I had to point towards something, but it's not anything that's gonna make you nauseous if you're somebody that's turned off by those types of scented lip products. This is exactly what I feel like I'm gonna be reaching for all the time in these colder months, because when your lips are chapped, and you're trying to wear lipstick, but really you probably need that extra layer of moisture and you're kind of ignoring it, like this solves all of your problems because you can actually look good, look put together, it looks so healthy and glossy, and this is an insanely good value. The last gift set that I ended up getting contains 2 products that I've had my eye on for years and years, and this actually comes from Drunk Elephant, and this was finally a great value that I could stand behind that wasn't in trial sizes. I feel like in years past, Drunk Elephant has done a good job of putting out gift sets, but they've always been either like the entire collection of their full-size products and it costs like, I don't know, $500, or they only have sets of the trial sizes. And this was the first like small set of full-size products that I had seen. Maybe I just missed some in the past, and that could very well be the case. They describe this as like a softening set. It's specifically called Kissy Face, which I thought was kind of strange. And I'm not the biggest fan of the packaging because truthfully, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this trunk case. But you have the 2 products nestled in this little egg-shaped, I don't even know what this is, but you get the full-size TLC Sakari Baby Facial and the full-size Lala Retro Whipped Cream for $88. For perspective, the baby facial cost $80 full price and the Lala Retro Whipped Cream costs $60 full price. So it's a $140 value that you're getting for $88. So essentially, I like to say that I basically bought the baby facial and paid tax on it, and then I ended up getting the Lala Retro Whipped Cream for free. Again, slice and dice it whichever way makes you feel better about it, but I thought this was a stellar deal, and I thought that investing in skincare was a great thing to do over investing in, I don't know, $88 worth of eyeshadow palettes or something along those lines. I like this moisturizer application method. So the moisturizer is down here under this cap, and you actually just press this piece down and it pumps the product up through this little hole in the top. So very sanitary. You're not dipping your hands down into a jar, which I really like. Now this is able to be mixed with all of the Drunk Elephant products. So sometimes you may be using products from a skincare line and they have to either sink into your skin before you apply the next layer, or maybe one of their products doesn't play nicely with another one of the products. This is one of those powerhouse products from their line that actually gets along with every single thing that they offer. So they they said you could even mix oils into this or other serums or other exfoliants into this, and it's not going to change the potency or the effectiveness of this product, which I think was really nice. This is what I like to call just a great nighttime no frills moisturizer. It's marketed to rescue and recover and make your skin really soft. Lala helps skin retain long-lasting moisture, forming a protective layer that allows skin to function at its optimal level. So this contains, as one of the oils that they mentioned, marula oil, which I know that my skin responds really, really well to. So I was drawn to it for that reason. But I just love that you can use this day or night. It's really safe for a lot of skin types. It's not scented. I feel like this is just gonna be a really nice moisturizer, and I'm completely out of moisturizer at the moment, so this couldn't have come at a better time. Now, whereas the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, that moisturizer can be used with any of the products, the Baby Facial is one that's a little bit more high maintenance, and that's just because this is like a really hard-working, over-the-top, once-a-week product that you kind of have to ease into. This is basically a hardcore exfoliating product. It's supposed to make your skin really soft. It's supposed to help with cell turnover with its 25% AHAs inside. It also has 2% BHA, which is a different type of exfoliant that really gets into your pores and helps unclog things. But then it also has some other oils and moisturizers, which leaves your skin feeling so soft after use. Now, they suggest that you leave this on no more than 20 minutes, but when you first start using it, you're supposed to use it for 10 minutes, and then each week you just kind of increase the time a little bit until you work your way up to that 20-minute time frame. And this product is said to resurface the skin, provide improved texture, deep clean your pores, and add radiance to the skin. Their website is so informative, so helpful. It really puts things into layman terms so that you don't feel overwhelmed by all of the different exfoliant and chemical names and everything that's found in skincare. So I do really appreciate the education piece of what they're providing to you. All right, those were the 3 gift sets that I ended up purchasing because I felt like there were products I needed and values that I couldn't pass up. But I did want to share with you some other really good gift sets with products that I've tried in the past and loved. I just didn't have a need for them right now. All right, so there's actually 2 kits from Briogeo because y'all know that I love that hair care brand. One of them is called the Healthy Hair Wonders, and it comes with 4 different products. 2 are full-sized and 2 are more like deluxe minis or trial-size products. The Healthy Hair Wonders kit retails for $49, and it comes with a full-size Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which typically retails for $38 on its own, and a full size of the Farewell Frizz, the Briogeo leave-in conditioning spray that y'all know I've been through like probably 6 bottles of that stuff. It smells great. The ingredients in Briogeo products are so impressive and clean, and that typically retails for $24. Just on the 2 full-size products alone, that's a $62 value. The kit itself only costs $49, so you end up with $13 in savings plus 2 deluxe mini sizes in this kit. So if you're somebody that is really looking to tackle broken hairs or maybe super dry, unhealthy hair, this could be a really good gift set for you. The other 2 products that it comes with I have not tried, but they do look to kind of serve the same purpose. So one of those is the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Mask, and the other one is a strengthening treatment oil. So probably something that you would use to kind of like tame flyaways or maybe even put on the ends of your hairs to really kind of revitalize that. Another one from Briogeo that I think is great that I actually bought last year, Detox and Repair Kit. So it comes with 2 full-size products and retails for $54. So again, it comes with that Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and as we know, that retails for $38 full price. And it comes with the Scalp Revival Charcoal Shampoo that really does a good job of deep cleaning. It helped my itchy scalp so much. I've been through probably 5 or 6 tubs of that stuff. I stand behind it. It works. And it has a great, just refreshing tea tree smell, but it's expensive. So that retails for $42 alone. So this kit is valued at $80. It only costs $54, so you're actually getting a $26 savings by purchasing this kit. If these are items that you repurchase all the time, this one to me is a no-brainer. Another gift set that I was really impressed and tempted by was this Tarte one. It comes with 5 of the mini Amazonian clay blushes, or really I should say it comes with 4 and a highlighter. It retails for $39. Each individual mini Amazonian clay blush typically retails for $15. So the fact that those are on the market at $15 a piece and you get this entire kit of 5 for $39, that means that you actually get a $36 savings by buying this kit. Now again, they're minis, but I feel like with blush, it takes forever to go through, especially these clay blushes. I feel like they last on your skin forever. I have plenty of blush right now, so I had to be real with myself and not purchase this, but how cute would this be as a stocking stuffer? You could break this up, or maybe you have a couple of friends that you gift to and you could each give them 2 blushes and maybe keep the highlighter for yourself. I don't know. The shades in this kit too are so wearable. There's 2 that are a little bit more peachy neutral, and then there's 2 that are a little bit more like pops of color, like bright and rosy. And I just think that this kit would appeal to so many people, and I can't get past the price. Some other great value sets. One comes from Paula's Choice, and you get a full size of the 2% BHA exfoliant and their 25% BHA product. Basically the same thing as that Sakura, is that how you say it? Baby facial product. So you get both of those, and it ends up being a $17.50 savings. For lovers of Living Proof, they have a 2-pack of the full-size Living Proof dry shampoo, which I'm pretty sure typically retails for $42, which is insane. When did they raise that price? But you can get this set of 2 full-size products for $43. So it's basically a buy one, get one free. So if you're really into that shampoo, this is a stellar deal. Now is definitely the time to get it. The last kit I want to mention is actually one of those Sephora favorites kits. One that stuck out to me is actually the Sparkly Clean Makeup Set. It retails for $36. So it comes with 2 full-size products, and then the rest are deluxe minis. The 2 full-size products are the Tower 28 Beauty Juice Balm Tinted Lip Balm and the Merit Flush Balm, or aka a cream blush. Now, if you saw my What's in My Makeup Bag video, or my like July favorites, or probably another favorites, I've mentioned this blush several times. It's actually the blush that I'm wearing today. Now, the reason I think it's so good is because you can apply this over powder. You can apply it regularly on your skin. You can put a ton of it on and blend it out. Like, it's just impossible to make it look bad, in my opinion. The other products that it comes with, again, are in smaller sizes, but these are products that it takes a while to work through, so I still think that the value is really high. The Milk Makeup Color Chalk Multi-Use Powder Pigment and Hopscotch, the Ilia Fullest Volumizing Mascara, a Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, the Say Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Dewy Highlighter, which looks really pretty, and that's it. I was saying it like there was gonna be another product. So for perspective, that kit retails for $36. So this is a $92 value. The Flush Balm alone costs $28, and then the other full-size product, the Tower 28 lip product, cost $14. So together, those 2 full-size products cost $42. So you're basically getting a portion of those products and all of the other deluxe size minis for free. It's been really fun talking about all of these products. I'm very, very happy with the 3 kits that I ended up going with, especially the Amika one and the lip products. I haven't used the Drunk Elephant products yet, so to be determined on how those perform on my skin, but I can genuinely say I have no regrets about any of the purchases, and they were providing products that I needed, which makes it, even though it's a good value like monetarily, it's also a good value in just like decision making. Anyway, if you like this video, then like it, stick around, subscribe, join the community, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.